Okay, it's James again. We're going to complete your autoresponder for your trafficwave.net back office to coordinate with your capture page in your promo tools section. And we created your campaign in the previous video. So now we're going to download or retrieve the letters that I've already prepared for you into that campaign. So the first thing you want to do is hover over autoresponder. The third option is retrieve published campaign. We're going to click that, and we're actually retrieving the letters. So I provided you the autoresponder ID number and 5-digit code already. So what you're going to do is click there, and that will open up another section below that, which we will select in just a moment. So first thing you need is the number. If you go back to your Start Here page and your Real Income Club back office, all the way down at the bottom is the letter series number. If you just double click and copy, and then you can paste into there. And now you need the passcode, and then paste into there. Now you need to know, or it needs to know, which campaign to override or to retrieve these letters into. So the campaign that you created before, remember I created a dummy campaign and I called it Real Income Page, I believe. But Real Income Club is what you're going to create your campaign name as. So you would use the drop down here and select Real Income Club. Now I'm using this dummy account, or this dummy campaign, so I'm going to click Real Income Page again for the sake of example. Now I'm going to click Retrieve Pre-Written Autoresponder Letters. It says success. 6 letters and 1 template have been placed. No images, etc. So click here to review your campaign profile. Now here's your campaign profile. Again, the nickname, which yours would read Real Income Club there, which should also be what you place in your configuration right here. Your TrafficWave ID is your TrafficWave username. TrafficWave series is Real Income Club, which is the nickname of your autoresponder campaign. So if you click here on Review Edit Letters, you can see all the letters. You can see that there is a delay on days for those to go out. 0 means, as you see in parentheses, it will go out now. So Welcome to Real Income Club is going to go out immediately when they complete that capture form, and it creates their account, plus they're on your list here. So that's the first letter they'll receive, and then so on and so forth. If you'd like to proofread these letters, you can take the hourglass there, or the magnifying glass, and one of the options is proofread, and this is a left click. That's left click there. Proofread, it'll open up the page, and once it opens, you can use sample data for the tokens. So when you check that box, it'll change the tokens. Remember, that's what we filled in the campaign name, and it'll change those so that you can see an example of what it will look like. And then you can also proofread by email and have it sent to your email. So if you click this is the way trafficwave.net works. Pages open up generally like this. So click that and it'll take that back away. And you are really ready to go. As long as you have your TrafficWave username here and the Real Income Club nickname there, you'll click Update, and that means that in your promo center, this is ready to go.